Okay, Sandra's going to go ahead and explain what her dog's normal temperature, respiration, and heartbeat rate is. And then she's going to demonstrate how she gets this information. And we're also going to check to make sure that her dog tolerates having this information taken.
Okay, so for temperature, his average temperature, and I took 3 different temps on 3 different days to get an average. He averaged about 100.3 degrees. Average for a dog is normally from 100.2 all the way up to 102.8. So that's what you want to watch for. Breaths per minute, he was at about 28. 10 to 30 is normal, although with some panting, which he was panting a little bit when I took it, can be up to 200 pants per minute. For respiration, I just said respiration. That's so silly. For heartbeat, you want to check that. There's different amounts. For puppies, you're looking between 120 and 160. For small dogs, you're looking between 100 and 160. And then on large dogs, you're looking between 60 and 100. His heartbeat was actually kind of low, but we had a couple people check it, and we came out with pretty much the same number. It was about 78 beats per minute. Now, to check those different vital signs on them, the first thing you want to do is check that the dog is breathing if they're in an injured situation. How you can do that, you can either watch for the rise and fall of the chest. You can also put something, preferably reflective, in front of their nose. If they're breathing, it's going to fog up some. You can also use a compact with a mirror, or the flip side of a CD if you have one in your car and nothing else. For the pulse, there's a couple different places you can check it. You can check on the left side of the dog, right where the elbow meets the chest. You'll get a nice pulse in there. You can also find it right where the wall of the leg meets with the rest of the body. So you would check in there and find a nice pulse on them. You can also check either on their ankle or their wrist, right below the center pad. You're going to get a pulse in there as well. Now for their temperature, you can either use a rectal thermometer, or there's a lot of ear thermometers out there now. I prefer the ear thermometer, just a little less messy. And what you're going to do with that is make sure you clear out the hair so it's not blocking the reading. You're going to insert it in the dog's ear and then get a reading on that. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yay!